garlic naan. Welcome to my kitchen, and we will make garlic naan in our kitchen, which is made like this. Take a pot and put 1½ cups of purpose flour in it. Take a separate vessel, add 1 spoon of sugar and warm water in it, and mix it well by adding yeast. This mixture will now be added to the flour, and a little yogurt will be added to it. Mix it well and make paste. Put the paste in a separate vessel and apply a little oil on it. Mix the green chili and garlic paste in the butter. Now cut the dough into small pieces and roll it. Now heat a pot on the stove and cook it well. Now spread the garlic paste well on top of the naan and enjoy.